my darling Fumi Nation. How are you? How are we? My name is Fumidesaluvold. For those of you that are stopping by for the very first time, welcome to my humble abode. Are we living? Are we loving? You know, I used to wear this hairstyle for my auditions when I was modeling. It's just like a little shingding. Let me just take it all the way around, you know, but it's kind of swept to the side. So it gives another kind of, you know, vibe. And this was my kind of short hair without making it short. Anyway, my darlings, a lot of you said, Fumi, we love that brown lippy that you wore the other day. It was kind of fabulous. And some of you said, Fumi, can you show us some brown, beautiful chocolate lippies for fall? Can you believe that autumn is here? We're in September, just like that. In another 4 months, this is it. 2022 will be done and we'll be hitting 2023. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. It really went fast. I think the older I get, the more I'm beginning to realize how time is so precious. My mother used to say, time waits for no one. And I have slight panic attacks. I kid you not. I'm like, Fumi, you got to do this now. You got to do this now. You got to do this now. You know, so you know what, guys? Go out there and do what you got to do. Time waits for no one. By the time you blink your eyes, we'll be in 2023. And you know how that goes. It will be Valentine's, February, then it will be Mother's Day, May, then it will be summer, and then we'll be back at fall, winter. That's how it just goes. All right, fall lippies. I'm going to try them out for you guys. The first one that I have is by Colourpop. I got it in PR, and it is quite fabulous. This one is called Dark's Lip Cream. So let's try this one out and see. It's a beautiful chocolate lip. If you're looking for one, this could be it for you. See? Oh, this is gorgeous. This is absolutely gorgeous. I live for it. It's a lip cream, so it's soft, but it's got that gorgeous shine. And as I'm looking at my reflection, I am feeling Josephine Baker because of the hair, but I love the lip. The lip is gorgeous. It's called Docs, D-O-C. I like it. For fall, yes, ma'am. And I'm dark, and you can see how much it pops off. It's a beautiful, beautiful lip. OMG. The Fresh Kiss Lip Cream by Colourpop, and it is called Docs. Do we live, my darlings? Do we live? I live. I absolutely love. We are going to go on to fabulous favorite. This was by Nymer Tang in collaboration with Dose of Colors. It is still a standard for me. And I heard from you guys that they made it a permanent collection because of all of the rave. About time too. So we have Ejen, and I think that is a glass, and then we have Like to See It. So I'm going to dab this off, and we are going to try these. So let me dab that off, and it comes off because it's a lip cream. Oh wow, yes, this is fabulous. All right, so let me go with the gloss, and the gloss is called Ejen. All right. Yeah, baby. There you go. This is Ejen and a gloss. I remember when I first reviewed this, I said, of course it's fabulous because it's a black girl that created it. Why do you say that for me? Because it's not orange, it's not gray, I don't look half dead. This is a fabulous gloss for a dark-skinned chick. Because we are tired of trying to blend our eyeliners, trying to get that beautiful, gorgeous 1920s, 40s glamoureuse lip. Live for it. This gloss is everything, and then you can top it onto other colors. This is Ejen. I remember how much I loved it, and I love it still. These are such gorgeous colors. If you don't want anything loud, you want something for the autumn, winter, this is it. It will take you to work. It will take you after hours, and it will take you right onto your date, looking glamorous, looking rich, no milk, and sexy. I live for it. The collaboration with Nymer Tang, Dose of Colors. She also made a matte. Let's try the matte. Sha! Look at the fabulosity. You know it's a lippy when you don't have to line it. And you know what it is? You know what I love about this kind of dark chocolate lips? You can wear a smoky eye and you can wear a dark lip. It's this kind of combination that works. It's this kind of combination that you wear and they look at you and stare and they're like, you know what? She's beautiful. And I tell you this, I used to rock something like this when I was working at YSL, Saint Laurent. And I would have customers. You're pretty for a black girl. And I used to say, I'm pretty. Black girl or not, I'm fabulous. I used to give it back to them. But I understand what it is. Somewhere along the line, somebody has told them that black is not beautiful. And so what happens is that when they're looking at you, they're fighting it within themselves. Black is not beautiful, but this girl is beautiful. Black is not beautiful, but this girl is beautiful. Black is not beautiful, but this girl is beautiful. That's what it is. I smile, I'm never offended. Because the thing is that no matter what people say, inside, you know. And so when it comes out like that, you're pretty, I said, darling, you don't understand. I'm pretty regardless. This is one. And black is king. I think we are very, I think when we walk in the way that we do, it's intimidating because the fabulosity is on the top tier. Think about it, think about it, think about it. You have 10 white girls walk in. You'll be like, gorgeous, pretty. You have 10 black girls. Top date. You will start having people ask, what's going on? Is there an event? Is there this? Because we're just so fabulous. We're just so much. It's intimidating. Just look at this beautiful, gorgeous lip. It's one of the reasons why I stand so firmly in not using bleaching creams. If it's going to tarnish some part of me, diminish my blackness, I don't want it. I have been loved and adored because of who I am. But I have loved myself more so because of how I look. I'm not trading that for nothing. Just look. We like to see it. Smoky, smoky. Yes, ma'am. I live for it. Can you imagine this in black and white? Ooh, sha. All right, so those three that we have done, Colourpop and the collaborations, the two that were from Nymer Tang, who collaborated with, again, Dose of Colors. Fenty did a lip gloss called Hot Chocolate. I'm going to put it on top of this matte, and then I'm going to take it off, and then we'll just use the gloss on top. It just gives off. It's everything. Hot chocolate. So let me wipe this off and then we'll use hot chocolate on its own. I've got my mirror here. Let's see what it gives us. It just gives you a hue. Just a hue. Just like a hint and a tint. So if you don't want that dark chocolate lip for whatever reason, that's fine. You can just go with a gloss, and this is cute, and this is by Fenty, and it is called Hot Chocolate. I do live for it though. I live for a gloss, especially in the winter, because you want to hydrate. You do. All right, we're out with that. Then, my darlings, we have and kind of newbie. I like his stuff. He's so artistic. This is Mama Mitchell. And this one is called RITCHUATION. It is a RITCHUATION, and you can use it multiple ways. You can use it to contour. I think it's one of the darkest that he has. You can use it on your eyes. You can use it on your lip. You want that dark chocolate lip, mattish, this will suffice. Let's go. Ha ha ha. Super talented guy. I love it. It leans towards black. It's very cool. It's not as rich or as brown, and I like it. I like it a lot, and it's very nice on the lips. It's soft on the lips. It's not overwhelming at all. Oh, I love it. Yep. And then this is the packaging, but of course I'm putting pictures, images up so that you can see. Do we love? Do we live? I love. I absolutely live. Oh yes, 100%. Hank and Henry, Cherry Matte, Chocolate Aloe. It's a little bit red. We live. Let's try. Oh, it's pretty. So, so pretty. Almost like a nude. It's so pretty. Beautiful. It's nude. It's soft on the lips. I absolutely adore it. It's a beautiful nude. And again, it works with that smoky dark eye. I love it. Chocolate Aloe by Hank and Henry. I love their brand. Again, he's very, very artistic. I love the colors. They're vivid, and this works for fall, for that chocolate lip, for that dark girl, light skin, medium, whatever. These are some of the lippies for fall, some of those chocolates that I live for, that they really just outstand. They outstand, and they are head and shoulders above a lot of them out there. This is fabulous. It's like a nude. It's like a rich deserty nude. I live. And you can line it if you want to. I wouldn't. I like it as is. What do we think, my darlings? All right, my darlings, JUVIAS, please. But you know, they came out. Oh my God, I think they still have it on their website. It had YOKO matte and they had YOKO metallic. I will never forget, because these colors are flawless. And what I liked about what JUVIAS did was that they came with a metallic. Very glam, very evening, very sexy. Worked for me. So let us go with the metallic first. Do you see what I'm talking about? You know, I have to say thank you to the brands, really, because I'm 53, and back in the day, we did not have colors like this. It was colors I wanted and I could not find. And so we would mix eyeshadows with Vaseline, with a little bit of gold, and with a little bit of powder to try to get something like this. It is so much fun wearing makeup today. So much fun. It's as if all of my dreams came true, because I love colors like this. I just think it's so rich. I think it's so decadent. I think it's very sexy. And sometimes when I'm gonna go and do like a photo shoot or something, yeah, I'm being asked a lot now, I come with my makeup because I know they don't have it, you know. And it's so good to see colors like this and just really show the beauty and the epitome of black beauty. When I was modeling, and you can ask Naomi, you can ask Iman, you had to come with your own foundation. They didn't have it for us. Not at all. You were looking like Casper the Ghost 90% of the time. It's so funny because I remember then, if you put water onto your face, it did not look so casket-like. Lo and behold, 25 years later, we have setting sprays. You don't understand how funny this is to us, because we didn't have social media. YouTube did not exist. We didn't have smartphones, nothing. If you didn't go to the shows, then you didn't see it. All we had, like a Bible every month, was that Vogue magazine, Essence magazine for me. That Essence magazine that came every month. You had your subscription together because you wanted to see what the latest fashions were, but you also wanted to know the styles of makeup. We had Naomi Sims, Fashion Fair, Florrie Roberts, and then a man came out and we were like, ah! Because we knew that we could get powders, we could get foundations that were not brick red. I'm telling you, we looked a hot mess. In my youth. So it's so nice. It's so nice to have these colors. I love it. I do love it. This gives it's like a satiny silk finish. Oh God. And the black eyeshadows used to be grey. They were never that black. You should have seen my kitchen. I was cooking like crazy. All right, so let me wipe this one off and then we'll go on to the last. Last but not least is the YOKO matte. Okay, where's my mirror? I had I had it here somewhere. All right, so let's go ahead and try on the matte. So rich. Absolutely beautiful. There you have, my darlings, the YOKO matte by JUVIAS. Please don't forget to use my discount code Fumi for everything off of the JUVIAS Please website. The discount code does not expire. I've had it forever. I love them as a brand. I love it that they're a black owned brand. I love it that they deliver, and it just works. And there we have it, my darlings. These are the chocolate lippies for autumn, literally at your fingertips. Really gorgeous lippies. You've got gloss, you've got matte, you've got metallic, you've got cream. I would say that we're good. We're good. Huh? So guys, let me know what you think. Don't forget to like, to subscribe, to share, leave all of your comments down below. Thank you so very much for watching. Let me know any other chocolate lippies that you know of. Caring is sharing, my darlings. And then let me know, we can go on to do perhaps burgundy. Burgundy is nice. Oh yes, it's glamorous. Maybe we'll do burgundy for fall too. Okay, and let me know if you're living and loving the look. Should I cut my hair? Should I go short? What do you think, guys? Or I should just keep it like this and be as diverse as possible? All of my love. Thank you so very much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. I love you guys. And brands, thank you. Thank you for being inclusive. This is big. It's different. It really is. Mwah. Love you. Bye.